Welcome to today's video where we'll explore the thrilling potential of IPTV on Roku. You'll get to know why 2TV is your best choice for a rich entertainment experience. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide for installing IPTV on your Roku device, offering you access to a diverse world of channels and exceptional customer support from Nancy at 2TV. Begin by visiting the 2TV website and subscribing to their IPTV service. The link is in the description. With this done, you have taken the first step towards endless entertainment. Next, we'll install an IPTV app from the Roku store, enabling us to link your Roku device and 2TV service effortlessly. This part is crucial for seamless streaming. After installation, load your IPTV subscription details. The process is simple, and we'll walk you through each step to make this as smooth as possible. Success! You've now connected IPTV to your Roku and opened a world of entertainment. Enjoy the vast array of channels, and remember, Nancy's customer support is just a click away if needed.